Libyan border. OFWs are complaining that their Libyan employers abandoned them at the height of the unrest. The company based in the Giallo Desert did not give them their passports and their 2 months' salary and refused to shoulder their repatriation. The workers say they refused to sign a waiver, stating they will be fired if they leave their job sites.
Lahat ng banda yun, nakaalis na. Kami na lang mga Pilipino na iwan. Kami na lang, wala pa kami makaalis. So nagkaisa kami lahat na kahit anong mangyari, pauwi-uwi kami. Yun lang para sa amin.
Meanwhile, more Filipino evacuees are arriving in neighboring Tunisia. Among them is this OFW who had suffered a stroke. He recounts his ordeal in crossing the Libyan-Tunisian border. Another OFW, who's 7 months pregnant, also had to bear the hours of travel just to escape the violence in Libya.